Yeah, Marnie, and that vote wasn't by a wide margin either. 11 advisors of that panel weighed in, 10 of them voting against approving that new Alzheimer's drug by Biogen, one of them voting that they were unsure. And when they consulted with the FDA about their findings, they raised a number of red flags about flaws that they found in the clinical trials.
More controversy surrounding the FDA approval of Biogen's Alzheimer's drug. A third scientist resigning from the independent committee that advised the agency on the treatment. Dr. Aaron Kesselhelm, a professor at Harvard Medical School, quit Thursday, saying, quote, "This might be the worst approval decision that the FDA has made that I can remember." He joins neurologist Dr. David Notman from the Mayo Clinic and Washington University's Dr. Joel Perlmutter in leaving the panel, with Dr. Perlmutter writing me, quote, "I am extraordinarily disappointed that our unbiased advisory committee review was not valued." Overall reaction to the FDA's approval of Biogen's aducanumab is split. On one end, it's a glimpse of light for the millions of Americans impacted by the debilitating disease. It's been 18 years since an Alzheimer's drug has been approved, and this is the first one aimed at slowing its progression rather than treating symptoms.
It's not fair to be so cautious around a disease that really impacts the whole family.
But on the other side, there's concern over not enough evidence that the drug actually works. The FDA Advisory Panel voting almost unanimously against its approval, citing data from clinical trials they say did not convincingly show the medicine could slow cognitive decline in people in the early stages of the disease. Plus, the risk of severe brain side effects. The drug, which will be sold under the name Aduhelm, is set to hit the market in about a week and a half. It's a monthly intravenous infusion and comes with a hefty price tag, with annual cost at $56,000.
And Marnie, I did reach out to the FDA. They told me that the FDA doesn't comment on individual committee members. Back to you.